ब्रह्मनाद। ओ शांति शांति शांति। Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the application of increasing and decreasing of a function. In last class already we discussed the theory of increasing and decreasing function. First, means some step to solve the increasing and decreasing of a function. Step 1, differentiate the given function with respect to x. Step 2, put f dash x is equal to 0 and solving that equation we get the value of x, and also find where f dash x does not exist, and these are called critical values of fx. Next कौन करिवो, draw a number line and write all the critical values from ascending order of magnitude and put the appropriate sign of f dash x. F dash x means appropriate sign means sign देखियो चेक करिया पड़ो कोडी एफ डैश टेस्ट पॉजिटिव होची कोडी को इंटरवल एफ डैश टेस्ट नेगेटिव चेक करके पुट करिया पड़िबो। ओके, तो some questions are there. Question number 1, find the intervals where the following functions are increasing and decreasing. Question number 1, y equal to sin x, x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, y equal to ln x, x belongs to r positive and so on. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखो टिके केमती कराओ देखो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बिट y इज इक्वल कौन अच्छी sin x। तो फर्स्ट फाइंड dy by dx, व्हाट इज dy by dx ना cos x। तो स्टेप 1 इज ओवर। ना स्टेप 2 कौन ना पुट dy by dx इक्वल 0, पुट dy by dx is equal to 0. This implies cos x is equal to 0. So implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. n belongs to z. So n is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2, belongs to 0 to 2 pi. n is equal to 1, x is equal to 3 pi by 2, belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So these are two stationary values of x. And there are 2 pi 5 pi by 2. 5 pi 2 does not belong to 0 to 2 pi. Okay? 5 pi by 2 does not belong to 0 to 2 pi. So next कौन करिए हमें? Next draw the number line. This is the number line. Interval कौन दे सकते हमारे interval 0 to 2 pi given. तो 0 to 2 pi means this is 0. This is 2 pi. तो what is the critical value? X pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. तो pi by 2 is छोटा, 3 pi by 2 is बड़ा, नहीं कि? तो छोटे बड़ा को सजा देले। Next, तो when x lies between 0 to pi by 2, this is the interval, this is another interval, So there are 3 intervals. So 0 to pi by 2 in first quadrant all t ratios are positive. So cos x also positive. When x lies between 0 to pi by 2, cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 0. So 0 to pi by 2 re cos x is positive. So this is a plus sign. When x lies in pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, 3 by 2 means second quadrant, third quadrant. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट cos is negative means dy is negative चेक करते dy साइन नॉट y रे साइन dy by d साइन चेक करा हबो तो dy टा ए इंटरवल रे नेगेटिव नेक्स्ट 3 pi to 2 pi 3 pi to 2 pi is fourth quadrant cos x is positive तो cos x is positive means dy टा positive this is positive or and put x is equal to pi belongs to what pi by 2 to what 3 pi by 2 तो cos x एठानी पुट कर सब dy से पकेबो तो दिस इज cos pi is -1 less than 0 so this implies dy by dx less than 0 so this is negative तो r alternate sign positive r alternate sign एबर positive ओके तो बर्तन एठी पॉजिटिव हला तो फंक्शन टा ए इंटरवल इंक्रीजिंग एठी पॉजिटिव हला फंक्शन टा एठी इंक्रीजिंग बट एठी नेगेटिव हला फंक्शन एठी कोन हबो डिक्रीजिंग तो पाई बाय 2 पाकर सब ओपन इंटरवल 3 पाई 2 सब ओपन इंटरवल जोडी क्रिटिकल वैल्यू आसीयो सेठी सब ओपन इंटरवल दिया हबो क्रिटिकल वैल्यू रे ऑलवेज कोन पुट ओपन इंटरवल अच्छा नेक्स्ट 0 and 2 pi both are included 0 and 2 pi both are included चेक करो cos 0 is what cos 0 is 1 तो 1 is positive तो फंक्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग एट x equals to 0 cos 2 pi also 1 positive तो 2 pi also included तो for increasing dy by dx greater than 0 implies cos s greater than 0 cos s greater than 0 means x belongs to this interval 0 to pi by 2 it is open 0 पाकर क्लोज बिकॉज cos 0 is 1 आउ सब वाले क्रिटिकल वैल्यू पाकर ओपन दिया हबो यूनियन एडी पॉजिटिव होची 3 pi by 2 क्रिटिकल वैल्यू 2 pi cos 2 pi 1 तो इट इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन dy by dx is greater than 0 when x belongs to this is increasing in this interval for decreasing dy by dx less than 0 implies cos x less than 0 implies x belongs to this interval open interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 this is decreasing okay this is question number 1 ro first bit next second bit second bit देख टिके y is equal to ln x जेहेतु ln दिया है तो x always positive तो x belongs to कौन दिया है r positive दिया है because ln x ln is defined only positive value of x तो domain of ln x means x is कौन domain टा नहीं r positive नहीं 0 to infinity open interval है तो first find dy by dx तो 1 by x as x greater than 0 this implies 1 by x also greater than 0 this implies dy by dx greater than 0 hence the function is only increasing the function is only increasing on r plus and nowhere decreasing जे देखो y is equal to ln x तो x टा पॉजिटिव ln डिफाइन होगा x नेगेटिव ln डिफाइन होबनी लॉगरिथम इज डिफाइन ओनली x इज पॉजिटिव नेक्स्ट dy by dx मींस 1 by x जेहेतु x टा पॉजिटिव 1 by x आल्सो पॉजिटिव तो 1 by x पॉजिटिव मीन dy by dx टा कोन हला पॉजिटिव तो dy by dx पॉजिटिव अर्थ फंक्शन टा कोन हला ओनली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ही हला तो नोवेयर डिक्रीजिंग हला की एंड डिक्रीजिंग सेट टा कोन हबो 5 what is the interval for decreasing कहले कौन लिखियो 5 this is the question number 2 only increasing nowhere decreasing next question number 3 3 number देखो टिके y is equal to a to power x y is equal to a to power x condition a greater than 0 a not is equal to 1 so this implies dy by dx a to power x ln a to power x ln a to power exponential function always greater than 0 for x belongs to r. Any exponential function जे कौन सी exponential function सब बड़े positive for x belongs to r. a to x is always positive for x belongs to r. If ln a positive तो whole is positive, ln a negative then dy is negative. जदि ln a positive हम dy टा positive हम ln a negative हेले dy टा negative. तो डिपेंड करूँ कहाँ पर ln a ऊपर डिपेंड करूँ नहीं. तो केस 1 if 0 less than a less than 1. So ln a is negative. When a lies in 0 to 1, ln a is negative. Let a is equal to half belongs to 0 to 1. So ln a means ln half less than 0. Ln half means ln 1 minus ln 2. This is ln 1 minus ln 2 less than 0. So therefore a to power x ln a is less than 0. A to x positive, ln a negative, तो positive and negative. So dy by dx is less than 0 for x belongs to r. So function is only decreasing function, nowhere increasing. So f of x is only decreasing on r. Nowhere increasing. Next, case 2. Case 2, a greater than 1. So therefore ln a greater than 0. Let a is equal to 2, ln 2 greater than 0. Ln 2 greater than 0. Therefore a to power x into ln a is greater than 0 because a to x is positive, ln a also positive, the positive into positive is positive. So this implies dy by dx greater than 0 for x belongs to r. Hence f of x is only increasing function on r and nowhere decreasing. है तो ग्राफ कल भी है पर ग्राफ एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन ग्राफ जानचो. दिस इज ग्राफ a to power x a greater than 1 है कि this is a belongs to 0 to 1. So this is a decreasing function, this is an increasing function. X, y, origin this is 0, 1. चला नहीं. So this is the increasing function, this is the decreasing function. ये वाला हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. यदि a वैल्यू 0 to 1 भीतर रहबो फंक्शन ना ओनली डिक्रीजिंग हबो, a वैल्यू 1 to बड़ा हेले फंक्शन ना ओनली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ही हबो. Next, next question. Four number. Y is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 36x minus 7. So first find dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? This is 6x square. 3x square derivative 6x plus 36 derivative 36. 7 derivative 0. Put dy by dx is equal to 0. Implies कौन हबो 6x square plus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. तो implies 6 कॉमन कर दो x square plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is minus 36x. This is a minus 36. This is a minus 36. This is a minus 6. So implies x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 out of minus 3. X is equal to 2 and minus 3. So draw the number line. So domain of this function is real number r, because this is polynomial function. So domain of polynomial function is real number r. So this is a minus infinite to what? Plus infinite. Hence not given interval. So this is minus 3. This is 2. Minus 3 is less than 2. So ascending order सजा देलो. अच्छा नेक्स्ट देखो टी भला चेक करो. -3 to 2 भितरे -3 to 2 भितरे 0 से नहीं कहलो. 0 belongs to -3 to 2. Put x is equal to 0 here. x जगह 0 put करो. तो what is the value divided is equal to -36. -36 is negative. तो put here negative sign. Put here negative sign. Because -3 to 2. 0 belongs to -3 to 2. 0 belongs to -3 to 2. तो f dash 0 कहले कौन आसला -36 लेस देन 0. तो पुट हियर नेगेटिव साइन. ये जो नेगेटिव होला तर अल्टरनेट साइन कौन आछियो पॉजिटिव. आर अल्टरनेट कौन आछियो पॉजिटिव. आर अल्टरनेट पॉजिटिव, आर अल्टरनेट पड़े पॉजिटिव. तो इन दिस इंटरवल फंक्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग, दिस इंटरवल फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग. तो फॉर इंक्रीजिंग dy by dx greater than 0 implies 6x square plus 6x minus 36 greater than 0 implies x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3, minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to infinity. Positive positive और infinity minus सब ओपन इंटरवल दिया हो. एटा तो क्रिटिकल वैल्यू जाको एटा सब ओपन रहबो. और जेहेतु माइनस इनफिनिटी एंड इनफिनिटी दीज आर नॉट पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज. सो वी पुट हियर कौन ओपन इंटरवल. फॉर डिक्रीजिंग dy by dx लेस देन 0, x स्क्वायर 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x minus 36 लेस देन 0, x belongs to this interval -3 to 2 is the interval for increasing and this is decreasing. This is question number 4. Next question number 5. फाइव नंबर देखो टिके. y is equal to 1 by x minus 1 condition x not is equal to 1. तो domain of y is equal to r minus curly bracket 1. First find dy by dx. -1 by x minus 1 whole square. dy से कौन आसला -1 by x minus 1 whole square. Since x minus 1 whole square greater than 0 for x not is equal to 1. So this implies 1 by x minus 1 whole square also greater than 0. X not is equal to 1. Implies -1 by x minus 1 whole square less than 0 for x not is equal to 1. So this implies dy dx less than 0 for x not is equal to 1. नहीं की? तो this implies f of x is only decreasing function on the interval r minus curly bracket 1 and nowhere decreasing, nowhere increasing, nowhere increasing, nowhere increasing. increasing कोड भी होबनी, ओनली कौन हबो डिक्रीजिंग ही हबो. nowhere increasing. Next question, y is equal to sin x plus cos x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Y is equal to sin x plus cos x है इंटरवल कौन दिया 0 to 2 pi दिया. तो फाइंड फर्स्ट dy by dx. तो व्हाट cos x minus sin x. पुट dy by dx is equal to 0 implies cos x minus sin x is equal to 0 implies cos x is equal to sin x implies tan x is equal to 1. So implies tan x is equal to 1 means 10 pi by 4. So implies x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4. N belongs to z. Tan x equal to tan alpha. X equal to n pi plus alpha. So n is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 4. N is equal to 1. X is equal to 5 pi by 4. Okay. N is equal to 2. X is equal to 9 pi by 4 greater than 2 pi. नहीं तो draw the number line. This is the number line 0 to 2 pi. This is pi by 4. This is 5 pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 गोटे interval, pi by 4 to 5 pi 4 another interval, 5 pi 4 to 2 pi is another interval. नहीं कि what is dy dx? dy dx is cos x minus sin x. अच्छा, let x is equal to pi by 2 belongs to pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Okay, तो dy by dx is equal to आणि पुट करो cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. 0 minus 1 less than 0. So put here negative sign because pi by 2 belongs to this interval. So f dash pi by 2 is negative. So here negative. Our opposite sign, this is positive, this is positive. Okay. Next, cos 0 at particularly 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So 1 minus 0 means 1, positive. So particular 0 re f dash positive. So in particular 2 pi, cos 2 pi 1, sin 2 pi 0. Cos 2 pi means 1, sin 2 pi 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. So greater than 0. So dy is greater than 0 when x is equal to 2 pi. So in particular 2 pi function is increasing. So for increasing dy by ds is greater than 0 implies cos x minus sin x greater than 0 implies x belongs to 0 included pi by 4 excluded because these are critical values. Union 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi included. Cos 2 pi 1, sin 2 pi 0. For decreasing dy by dx less than 0 implies cos x minus sin x less than 0. X belongs to pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 open interval. Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. This interval function is decreasing function. Okay. Find the interval. Now find the interval where the following functions are increasing and decreasing. Question number 12 number देखिए लास्ट कर जाऊँ मु 12 number y is equal to what sin 2x minus cos 2x x belongs to 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so first find dy by dx. So 2 sin 2x and 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x. dy by dx आसीगला. तो for critical value put dy by dx is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x is equal to 0 or cos 2x is equal to minus sin 2x. So implies tan 2x is equal to minus 1. So implies tan 2x is equal to 10 minus pi by 4. So implies 2x is equal to n pi minus pi by 4 or is equal to 4n minus 1 into pi by 4. ओके। तो x इज इक्वल टू 4n माइनस 1 इंटू पाई बाई 8 n बिलोंग्स टू z। n इज इक्वल 0, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस पाई बाई 8 लेस देन 0 है। n इज इक्वल टू 1, x इज इक्वल टू 3 पाई बाई 8 बिलोंग्स टू 0 to 2 पाई। n इज इक्वल टू 2, x इज इक्वल टू 2 7 पाई बाई 8 बिलोंग्स टू 0 to 2 पाई। n is equal to 3, x is equal to 11 pi by 8 also belongs to 0 to 2 pi। n is equal to 4, x is equal to 15 pi by 8 belongs to 0 to 2 pi। n is equal to 5, x is equal to 19 pi by 8 does not belongs to 0 to 2 pi, does not belongs to 0 to 2 pi। ओके। तो बर्तन दीज आर द क्रिटिकल वैल्यूज 1 2 3 4 चार्टे क्रिटिकल वैल्यू आसला। बर्तन ड्र करिया नंबर लाइन, ड्र द नंबर लाइन, ड्र करो। ड्र द नंबर लाइन, दिस इज द नंबर लाइन 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi। मझे कौन आसला पाई बाई 3 पाई बाई 8, 3 पाई बाई 8, 7 पाई बाई 8, 11 पाई बाई 8, 15 पाई बाई 8। ओके। 1 2 3 4 5 5टा इंटरवल आसला, 5 इंटरवल्स आर देयर। अच्छा, पाई बाई 8 मीन्स 22.5 डिग्री, 22.5 डिग्री। 3 पाई बाई 8 मीन्स 67.5 डिग्री। So this is 67.5 degree. So 90 degree belongs to this interval. So let x is equal to pi by 2 belongs to what? 3 pi by 8 to 7 pi by 8, this interval. So f dash pi by 2, f dash pi by 2 means f dash y divided कितना आता है? Divided is 2 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x। f dash पाई बाई 2 पुट है, x जगह पाई बाई 2 पुट करो, 2 cos पाई प्लस 2 sin पाई। x जगह पाई बाई 2 पकड़ले 2 2 कटला cos पाई, ये sin पाई। तो 2 इंटू cos पाई कले -1, 2 इंटू दिस 0 आसला -2 लेस देन 0। तार्थ दिस इज नेगेटिव। 3 pi by 8 to 7 pi by 8 is negative because pi by 2 belongs to 3 pi by 8 to 7 pi by 8। So this interval f dash is नेगेटिव। तो ये नेगेटिव है तो अपोजिशन पकड़ी पॉजिटिव, आर अपोजिट नेगेटिव, आर अपोजिट पॉजिटिव, आर भी अपोजिट अपना कौन पॉजिटिव। देयरफॉर dy/dx इज इंक्रीजिंग इन दिस इंटरवल। ओके। तो एई पॉइंट रे कौन हबो ना ओपन हबो, काहे कि एई पॉइंट रे 0 हो जाब डेस्ट पर्टिकुलरली 0। dy/dx एट x इक्वल 0 करे 2 प्लस 0 तो 2 पॉजिटिव। तो पर्टिकुलर 0 रे फंक्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग, पर्टिकुलर 2 पर फंक्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग। तो फॉर इंक्रीजिंग dy/dx greater than 0 implies 2 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x greater than 0 implies x belongs to, take the positive sign only। तो 0 to 0 पाखरे क्लोज 3 pi by 8 यूनियन एडी पोजीशन अछि 7 pi by 8 ओपन इंटरवल 7 pi by 8 to 11 pi by 8 ओपन यूनियन 15 pi by 8 to 2 pi, 2 पाखरे क्लोज। These are the so critical value are so open 0 and 2 pi रे particular 0 and 2 pi रे f dash is positive, so function is increasing। Similarly for decreasing dy/dx is less than 0 implies 2 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x is less than 0 implies x belongs to take negative sign only। Open interval 3 pi by 8 to 7 pi by 8 union 11 pi by 8 to 15 pi by 8। So in this interval function is decreasing and in this interval function is increasing. Okay. Next question number 12 is over. Next question number 7 करिया. Question number 7. सेवन नंबर देख टी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. y is equal to curly bracket x square plus 1 when x less than is equal to minus 3 s cube minus 8x plus 13 and x greater than minus 3. Okay. So first find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, this is 2x when x less than is equal to minus 3. This is 3x square minus 8 when x greater than minus 3. When x less than minus 3 divided is 2x. When x greater than minus 3 divided is 3x square minus 8. Okay. अच्छा. As x is equal to minus 3 is the point of x is equal to minus 3 is the point where fx is discontinuous. At x is equal to minus 3 fx is discontinuous. So f dash x does not exist at x is equal to minus 3. अच्छा, when x less than minus 3, less than equal to minus 3, dy by dx is less than 0. So fx is decreasing on minus infinity to minus 3. नहीं. Next, when x greater than minus 3, so dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 8. Put dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to 0 implies 3x square minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 8 by 3. So use the number line. This is minus 3. This is infinity. So minus square root of 8 by 3 plus square root of 8 by 3. So 0 belongs to this interval. Minus root 8 by 3 to plus root 83. 0 belongs to this interval. When x equal to 0, divided is negative. Negative sign. Sorry, this is negative sign. This is positive. This is positive. When x is equal to 0, let x is equal to 0 belongs to minus root 8 by 3 to plus root 8 by 3. हला f dash x is less than 0. तो negative. तो negative means opposite positive positive. तो कौन कर देखा बे ना पर increasing for increasing dy by dx is less than greater than 0 implies x belongs to this minus 3 to minus square root of 8 by 3 union square root of 8 by 3 to infinity. For decreasing dy by dx less than 0, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union 8 open interval minus square root of 8 by 3 to plus square root of 8 by 3. So this is open, not closed. This is open because minus 3 is the critical value. F dash minus 3 does not exist. So this is the question number 3. Means next question number 10. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 दिस क्वेश्चन 7 है बोधे 7 नंबर सरला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 question number 10 what question number 10 this also important this also important question 10 number also important y is equal to ln x by x x positive so dy by dx x into derivative of ln x 1 by x minus ln x derivative of x means 1 divided by x square so 1 minus ln x by x square okay. For increasing dy by dx greater than 0 implies 1 minus ln x by x square greater than 0 implies 1 minus ln x greater than 0 x square positive अच्छी x positive x square positive implies 1 means ln e is greater than ln x so e greater than x e greater than x so e greater than x means x less than e so this implies this is the interval 0 0 in x greater than 0 when x is greater than 0 function defined otherwise function not defined so when x is greater than 0 means 0 to infinite है domain this is e so it is positive and negative so x belongs to 0 to e for increasing x belongs to 0 to e for decreasing dy by dx less than 0 implies x belongs to rest interval e to infinity 0 to e to छोटे ले फंक्शन इंक्रीजिंग होची e to बड़ा ले फंक्शन कौन होता है डिक्रीजिंग होची तो 0 to e रे फंक्शन इंक्रीजिंग एंड e to infinity फंक्शन इज कौन डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 11 also important question y is equal to 10x minus 4 into x minus 2 x belongs to open interval minus 2 pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 so first find dy by dx so x square x minus 4 so x square x minus 4 put dy by dx is equal to 0 0 implies so x square x minus 4 is equal to 0 or so x square x is equal to 4 or cos square x is equal to 1 by 4 that implies cos square x is equal to 1 by 2 square is equal to cos pi by 3 square so cos square x is equal to cos square alpha so x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha n belongs to z cos square x is equal to cos square alpha implies x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha n pi plus or minus alpha n pi plus or minus alpha n is equal to 0 x is equal to plus or minus pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 okay n is equal to 1 x is equal to pi plus or minus pi by 3 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 rahuni draw the interval this is minus pi by 2 this is plus pi by 2 this is minus pi by 3 this is plus pi by 3 let x is equal to 0 belongs to what minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3 so f dash 0 f dash 0 means this is f dash x this is f dash x so f dash 0 means x square 0 minus 4 is equal to 1 minus 4 means minus 3 less than 0 this is negative sign put a negative sign is negative is a positive is a positive when x is equal to 0 0 belongs to this interval so f dash negative so r opposite positive r opposite a positive for increasing f dash x greater than 0 implies x belongs to minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 3 union pi by 3 to pi by 2 a increasing function and for decreasing एफ डैश एक्स लेस देन 0, एक्स बिलोंग्स टू -π/3 to +π/3, x belongs to -π/3 to +π/3. This is the question number 11 10 number बोलते चल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and 8 and 9। डू योर सेल्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9 निजे करो, ट्राई करो, नहीं जी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 8 and 9 डू योर सेल्फ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4, ज्यादा बुक क्वेश्चन 3 and 4। 3 number show that function e/x by x to power p is strictly increasing for x greater than p greater than 0। Question number 4 show that 2 sin x plus tan x is greater than equal to 3x for x belongs to open interval 0 and π/2। तो फर्स्ट हम प्रूव करिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, देन नेक्स्ट प्रूव करिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। तो लेट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखो, लेट f of x is equal to 2 sin x प्लस 10x माइनस 3x। थीटा प्रूव आन दियो आगो, लेट fx नहीं जाओ, fx is equal to 2 sin x प्लस 10x माइनस 3x, दिस इज द fx। ओके, तो फर्स्ट फाइंड f डैश x, 2 cos x प्लस x स्क्वायर x माइनस 3, दिस इज f डैश x, f डैश x, दिस इज f डैश x। ओके, अच्छा तो आम ठीक अच्छी, दिस f डैश x आसीगला। तो दिस implies f dash x is equal to 2 cos x plus x square means 1 by cos square x minus 3। तो is equal to 2 cos qx plus 1 minus 3 cos square x divided by cos square x। तो factorize this, put cos x is equal to 1, तो it is 0, put cos x equal to 1, this is 0। तो cos x minus 1 is a factor of this numerator, cos x minus 1 is a factor of cos x जर 1 बगले 0 ही होजी, तो cos x minus 1 डा कौन हो फैक्टर हो कारण न्यूमरेटर रो। तो एडजस्ट कर दे टिके, 2 cos qx minus 2 cos square x प्लस तो नहीं माइनस cos square x प्लस 1, तो डिवाइड बाई cos स्क्वायर x। तो कॉमन काट दिए ट्रू, 2 cos स्क्वायर x कॉमन कर ले, cos x माइनस 1, माइनस 1 कॉमन कर दे, cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई cos स्क्वायर x। ओके, तो इज इक्वल टू f डैश x इज इक्वल टू, तो दिस इज cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 1 मीन्स cos x प्लस 1, और लिख दो 2 cos स्क्वायर x इंटू cos x माइनस 1 माइनस 1 इंटू cos x माइनस 1 इंटू cos x प्लस 1 होल डिवाइडेड बाई cos स्क्वायर x। तो इज इक्वल टू cos x माइनस 1 कॉमन कर दियो, रहा के 2 cos स्क्वायर x माइनस cos x माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई cos स्क्वायर x। ओके, अगेन फैक्टराइज दिस, पुट cos x equal again 1, तो 2 minus 1 minus 1 is 0 है, तो cos x minus 1 is a factor of this factor, this is cos x minus 1, again 2 cos square x minus 2 cos x plus cos x minus 1, okay, whole divided by cos square x is equal to cos x minus 1, एटू कॉमन कर दिया 2 cos x, तो दिस इज cos x माइनस 1 प्लस 1 कॉमन कर दे, cos x माइनस 1 आसला डिवाइड बाई cos स्क्वायर x। तो दिस इज cos x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर कॉमन आसला, रहला केते 2 cos x प्लस 1 बाई cos स्क्वायर x बाई कौन रहला cos स्क्वायर x रहला। तो दिस इज f डैश x, f डैश x। ओके, Therefore, f dash x is equal to cos x minus 1 whole square. This is 2 cos x plus 1 divided by cos square x. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 means x not equal to 0, not equal to pi by 2. So, cos x minus 1 whole square greater than 0, cos square x also greater than 0, and 2 cos x plus 1 also greater than 0. Therefore, f dash x is greater than 0 for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So, this implies f dash is positive means f of x is an increasing function. So, implies f of x is an increasing function in the interval in 0 to pi by 2. 0 to कौन 0 to pi by 2. अच्छा, as x greater than 0, x belong to 0 to pi by 2 means x greater than 0. x belong to 0 to pi by 2, x belong to 0 to pi by 2 छोटा, तो x greater than 0. So this implies fx is greater than f of 0 by definition of increasing function. Definition of increasing function. x1 greater than x2 implies f of x1 greater than f of x2. Greater नब less नब और greater than equal भी हो x1 greater than x2 implies f of x1 greater than equal to f of x2 by definition of increasing function. So this implies what is f of x? F of x means 2 sin x plus 10x minus 3x greater than is equal to f of 0. F of 0 means 2 sin 0 plus tan 0 minus 3 into 0. This is 2 sin x plus 10x minus 3x greater than is equal to 0 because sin 0 is 0, tan 0 is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. For x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 open interval. So this implies 2 sin x plus 10x greater than is equal to 3x. Suppose for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Hence proof. Eta prove kariya kahitla. Okay. So when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, 2 sin x plus 10x is greater than is equal to what? 3x. This is the question number 4. Next question number 5. Question number 5. 5 number देखो टिके चेक करिए देखो 5 नंबर आसला 3 number sorry. Let f of x is equal to e to power x divided by x to power p. Prove करिया को होती e to x by x to p is strictly increasing function when x greater than p greater than 0. Okay, तो ठीक है f x is x e to x by x to p. तो find f dash x first. F dash x u by v method x to power p into d by dx of e to power x minus e to power x d by dx of x to power p whole divided by x to power p square. So x to power p into e to power x minus e to power x into p into x to power p minus 1. Derivative of e to x x to power derivative p into x to p minus 1 divided by x to power 2p. So e to x common, x to power p minus 1 also common. So x minus p whole divided by x to power 2p. So is equal to e to power x into x minus p divided by x to power p plus 1. Cancel x to power 2p ru p minus 1 चली गला 2p minus of p plus 1. तो कौन आसला p plus 1 आसी गला नहीं कि तो हम देखिए आपने f dash is we need to show that f dash is greater than 0. f dash is positive है फंक्शन है कौन है जो इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है जो नहीं कि h x greater than p greater than 0. Therefore x minus p greater than 0 है नहीं. अच्छा e to x also greater than 0 because exponential function is always positive for every value of x. So e to x is greater than 0. X to power p plus 1 also greater than 0 because x is positive. Therefore e to power x into x minus p divided by x to power p plus 1 greater than 0 for x greater than p greater than 0. So this implies f dash x greater than 0 for x greater than p greater than 0. Hence, f of x is strictly increasing when s greater than p greater than 0. Okay. F of x is strictly increasing when x greater than p greater than 0. X to power e to x by x to p is strictly increasing when x greater than p greater than 0. Okay.